Hello, this is Ed Burke, PlaceForTraders.com for Thursday, July 16th, starting off in the September Mini S&P. In my last video, I talked about the pivot level for Wednesday of 900 even. Above 900 even in the September S&P was considered bullish for Wednesday. Below 900 is considered bearish. I had the first line of resistance up at 906 and a quarter. The second line of resistance up at 911 even. Now these are 15-minute bars. This is where the regular trading session opened. You can see we opened around the 913 and a half range. We were above the second line of resistance already on the regular session open. In fact, the overnight low was 906 and a half, one tick above the first line of resistance at 906 and a quarter. So it started out very bullish, above all levels of resistance. Obviously, the only thing that worked out was the pivot level indicating that above 900 is bullish, because the lines of resistance certainly didn't work out. I did send messages early on that were above all resistance lines. It looked to short at around 916. We held on to it for a little while. By the time the market rallied up to 922 and a half, though, I did send messages out to people. You know, this trade just isn't working. Obviously, there are going to be some days like this. On Tuesday, we had this very small range which kicked out. The numbers for Wednesday were going to be very tight. You know, we had the first line of resistance 906 and a quarter, second line of resistance 911, and then you had this big breakout on Wednesday. So, you know, obviously trying to trade any kind of resistance isn't going to work in that kind of scenario. But the key to this is, though, sometimes you're going to be wrong. You know, usually when I send messages out, you look to try to make 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 points, whatever the case is, somewhere, you know, whatever the market might give you. But the big thing is, like on a day like this, you know, shorting the market, if you did hold on to it too long, it really could have wrecked the account, because, you know, obviously the market went above 930. So, you know, it's not great to take a loss, but at the same time, they are going to happen sometimes. You know, try not to make them a lot bigger than your wins. That's, you know, and try to win more than you lose. So, you know, the market ended up settling way up at 927 and a quarter. I'm looking at the pivot level for Thursday, 922 even. Above 922 even in the Mini S&P is going to be considered bullish for Thursday. 922 even is going to be considered bearish. I have the first line of resistance 935.75. Second line of resistance 946 even. For support, looking at the first level of support 912.75. The second level of support down at 898 even. I included a couple monthly numbers. The market is trading in this channel between these two monthly numbers. With regard to weekly, we're way above any weekly lines of resistance. But on a monthly time frame, I have the first line of monthly resistance just above tomorrow's daily second line of resistance. The first line of monthly resistance 951 and a half. And the monthly pivot is down at 918 and a quarter, so we're bullish on a monthly time frame also. It's just below tomorrow's daily pivot of 922 even. Some numbers that come out. 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, you have initial jobless claims. The expectation is for a loss of 550,000. Then at 10 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time, the Philly Fed number come out. The expectation is for a 5. That's all I have for this evening. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't gone to my website as of yet, it's PlaceForTraders.com. You can go on there and sign up for the free alerts. Also on my website, I have links to try out a demo account, and also you can open up a live trading account. Thanks a lot and good trading.